Hi guys, my name is Jinxie, and if you don't know me, I'm mostly known for Roblox, Minecraft, and arts. So today I'm playing with Oliver on Dolly's Factory as literally Jinx. So, yeah, like I said, we're so close to getting freaking 200 subscribers. Hi guys, it's me Oliver, you know that friend Tom. Yeah, check out his channel. Obviously it's tagged, bro. But yeah, check his channel out. I'm probably gonna be editing this like in a few minutes. Yeah. No only got a cool drink left. Nice. Nice. What? What? Okay, let's go. I'm gonna sit on here because it has a star pillow, like Astra's drink. Yep, pretty cool. Yepperoni. Which ones? Oh, it has 4? Can I see the Come here. Loser. I'm kidding. I'm gonna move the recording thing here. I can close chat when I need to. Anywho, I'm grinding for Spinette today. Hopefully I get her in this video. Sorry if I won't really talk much. Oop. White bomb, half black. I know, let's go. Twisted here. I mean, rejects. Hop stuffing. I like Jinx. Like, she has a little hop, and I'm pretty sure, and she kind of represents my personality. I mean, she's cheery and hopping around and running and stuff like that. Very energetic. You know, and she loves to be around people. Are you serious? Reject more like rejects. Okay, we're gonna first grab this quickly. We're gonna go around the room, ring around the rosy. Yeah, come here. No flip. Smarty pants. Yeah, come here. Easy. And the last part here. Yeah, go. We're out. Ha! Easy peasy. Anywho. Yes. Coffee. Wait, coffee. Okay. Oh, I don't even drink. Okay. I don't even drink coffee anyway, so. That's okay. I don't even drink coffee. Let's do this. Now, reason why I'm grinding for Spinette, other than she's cool, she extracts fall. Like, look, like 2 Spinettes on one thing. Oh, that'll be so OP. Come here. Okay. Well, screw you. Where's this other machine? Aha, over there. I mean, I love Jinx. Jinx is freaking awesome. No, I'm not talking about myself. I'm talking about the character. But Jinx is awesome. Genuine. Oh. Ah, dang it. And they're drinking, and he's drinking more coffee. I eat him now. Yeah, I have a lot of videos that I need to post for real. Like, I never post them, which is flipping weird. Zora, let's go. I must say thank you. Ooh, bandage. Yeah. Alright, let's go. I need my... Wait, where? Oh, there. Over there. Okay. Oh, Lord, not the... Not the try me. Lol. Those are you. I love how it just sags. Queenie, there's Coda. Kitty cat, run. Come here. And you guys, that's it for today. I know this is a very short one, but bye.